Make money online with Pinterest. Pinterest can be a good source of revenue for anyone looking to make money online, from content creators and influencers to e-commerce site owners and managers. Pinterest claims that 433 million people use the platform each month to search for and pin tips, project ideas, and influencers and other sources of inspiration. If you have a product or service similar to what Pinterest users are looking for on the platform, you can generate a consistent income stream in various ways. There are also money-making opportunities on the platform for those who do not sell anything. Let's learn how to make money with Pinterest, and for more money ideas, subscribe to 33Cube now. Here we begin. Generate traffic to your e-commerce products. If you sell products online, one of the simplest ways to increase sales is to pin your product pages to Pinterest. When combined with the keywords your ideal customers are searching for, creating pins directly linked with your online shop can generate significant traffic. Before you begin sharing your product on Pinterest, ensure that you've enabled rich pins, which will sync the most up-to-date information from your website into pins created from your site. For example, product-rich pins can pull the most recent price, inventory, and product description from your website, eliminating the need to manually update existing pins. Rich pins are free to use and only require a little bit of code to be added to your website. Rich pins are typically approved within 24 hours for new websites. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing isn't limited to blogs. You can also connect your pins using your direct affiliate links. You can earn a commission on sales if pinners click your affiliate link and make a purchase, but of course, you can also direct people to affiliate-related content like blog posts and videos to get your audience warmed up before they buy. Here are some pointers for becoming a successful affiliate. First, create board themes. You need to do more than throw a bunch of unrelated affiliate links on the same board and expect to get results. It's best to organize your pins around a central theme. This assists pinners in developing an overall vision and determining whether they want the pinned items to replicate the aesthetics or ideas. Write descriptively. You want to express why these affiliate links or pins are important and use relevant keywords and hashtags for Pinterest to use in search results. Be genuine. No one likes it when you only promote affiliate links. Create boards and pins that authentically represent your brand. Follow relevant affiliate marketing guidelines. Pinterest may block you if it believes you are spamming the platform, so it's best to stay up to date with Pinterest affiliate guidelines and local regulations such as the US. To ensure compliance, use the Federal Trade Commission's endorsement guidelines. Partner with a brand. Influencers and brands complement each other like peanut butter and jelly. That is why Pinterest has a paid partnership tool to make it easier for influencers and brands to collaborate, while also providing transparency about their relationship. Here's how it works. Create an idea pin in the app, add the paid partnership label by tagging the brand, and approve the tag. The brand name is now listed at the bottom of your pin. Brands will pay you to create and share this content with your audience. They may also decide to incorporate the pin into their advertising campaign. And yes, many brands are looking to collaborate with creators. But how do you get these amazing brand collaborations? For starters, you need an engaged audience. You need only a few followers to land a brand deal, but you will need to know how to pitch your brand. Send traffic to your blog. You can incorporate Pinterest into your traffic building strategy to drive revenue, whether you rely on web traffic for advertising revenue or as part of an inbound marketing approach. For example, ranking keywords on Google can be a difficult and time-consuming task. On the other hand, ranking for keywords on Pinterest can be easier and result in significant traffic gains. Pinterest claims that 85% of its users use the site to start a new project or learn something new. You can capture some of this search traffic through Pinterest if you help create helpful content that aligns with the keywords your potential audience is searching for. Also, use Pinterest trends to see which keywords are popular among Pinterest users. Then, create multiple pins for each blog post, each with an optimized title, description, and image that matches the keywords users are looking for. Save your pins to boards with optimized titles and descriptions that include keyword users are looking for. For example, create an article, Rich Pins, from your website to incorporate the title, description, and author information from your blog post into your pins. Join the Pinterest Creator Fund. Pinterest launched the Creator Fund in 2021 to assist creators in growing and monetizing their content on the platform. Participants in these cohorts have access to unique brand partnerships, as well as tools and resources from the Pinterest team that help them grow their reach. Pinterest announced earlier this year that the program's fund would be expanded to support a broader range of creators. Create sponsored content. Pinterest can be a profitable platform for influencer marketing. Certain creators can collaborate with brands to create sponsored content specifically for Pinterest or negotiate a higher rate for sharing sponsored blogs and social content with other platforms with their Pinterest audience. Create pins for your affiliate partnerships. Affiliate marketing is a popular strategy for marketers and business owners looking to generate passive income. As an affiliate, you can earn a commission whether someone purchases a product or service through your unique link. Consider creating pins that link directly to your affiliate links, blog posts, or YouTube videos that include your affiliate links if you want to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. By pinning your affiliate links, they can be found by anyone searching for that specific product, earning you a commission if they buy. Here are some of the best practices to remember when using Pinterest to generate affiliate sales. When affiliate links are present, disclose them. According to FTC guidelines, you must clearly state whether affiliate links are included in a piece of content. Optimize your pins for affiliate product keywords. Pinterest appeals that it functions as a search engine. When your content contains keywords that users are looking for, it's more likely to generate clicks and engagement, which can lead to increased sales. Share only direct links. When sharing affiliate links, Pinterest encourages the use of link shorteners or tools that disguise the final URL. Manage Pinterest accounts for other businesses. Consider offering your services to other businesses if you have the skills to grow and manage a Pinterest account. Despite the benefits of remaining active on Pinterest, many busy entrepreneurs need more time to manage their own accounts. In this role, you can create a Pinterest strategy for your client's primary business objectives, such as determining web traffic and shoppable pin conversions, conduct keyword research to determine what the audience is looking for, and create and upload pins to their account. Use Pinterest ads to reach new users. If you have an online business, consider running Pinterest ads to get your products in front of potential customers. Pinterest ads resemble regular pins, but they can be strategically placed when your target audience is more likely to see them, such as the home feed and search results. Make sure you have a business account before you begin running ads on Pinterest, and after you've created the business account, go to the Ads Manager and create a campaign and an ad group. Finally, you'll have the option of creating new pins or selecting existing pins to promote. Gain skill from Pinterest to monetize it. Another way to consider Pinterest is as a massive learning library. You can enter anything and find that someone, somewhere, has pinned something about it. You can learn how to make origami stars, decorative cakes, and much more. You can not only find out all these different things, but also collect and organize them. On Pinterest, you can learn a variety of skills, many of which are marketable, such as starting a podcast, calligraphy, home organization, knitting and crocheting, and photography. This only scratches the surface of what you can learn on Pinterest. Let us know your views in the comments below, and for more strategies, subscribe to 33Cube now.